Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe something you would like to learn in the future. You should say what it is. How would you like to learn it? Where you would like to learn it? Why would you like to learn it? Explain whether it's difficult to learn it. Digital marketing is one area I would really like to learn more about in the future. Since everything is moving online these days, digital marketing has become a crucial ability for influencers, content producers, and enterprises. I think that becoming knowledgeable about digital marketing will benefit me in many ways, particularly in terms of expanding my audience and enhancing my online visibility. It covers topics including paid advertising, content production, social media marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, all of which are essential in the current digital age. Combining online education with real-world experience is how I hope to learn digital marketing. Numerous trustworthy websites, including Coursera, HubSpot, and Google Digital Garage, provide structured training on the topic. In order to obtain practical knowledge, I would also love to attend workshops or seminars offered by professionals in the field. In order to work on actual projects and gain a deeper understanding of market trends, I would prefer to learn it in a professional training facility or a digital marketing business. Some of the top digital marketing training programs are found in nations like Canada, the United States, and even India. These programs offer comprehensive knowledge and certificates. I'm motivated to learn digital marketing since it offers a plethora of practical applications and job options. Digital marketing will be an important ability whether I decide to work for a firm, launch my own company, or simply expand my YouTube channel. It will assist me in comprehending how to draw in the appropriate audience, boost interaction, and eventually succeed in the digital sphere. Digital marketing necessitates constant learning and flexibility, even though it is not as challenging as studying a hard subject like engineering or medical. Keeping up to date is crucial, because online trends and algorithms are constantly changing. But I think I can get the hang of it with commitment and practice. Acquiring this ability will help me advance professionally and create new prospects in the rapidly expanding digital world.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.